¿Qué tal? ¿Qué tal? ¿Qué tal? Pues primero que nada, gracias por ver mis videos. Y pues les voy a enseñar un video demostrativo de un par de CVX Kicker amplificado con un Suono 1500 RMS. En los medios se alcanzan a ver, son de medios DLS. De momento no tengo yo la alza porque la tapa va enfibrada, pero pues espero ya en esta quincena terminar. Amplificado con un Rockford Fosgate Punch P400.4. y pues acá les enseño cómo está el rollo, ¿no? Y ahí se suscriben, sale y va. Todos les gusta la rola, un poco de hip hop.
Thought I was gonna let it slide. Hell no, if the shit fit buried, listen to me there. Your niggas say my fam, I'ma start you in there. I call all shots, all wins, no loss. Follow me, I'm the boss of all bosses. I'm the boss of all bosses. I'm the boss of all bosses. What you heard, what they talk, what they talk. Follow me, I'm the boss of all bosses. 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 Settle let me lead the way. The only rapper doing everything I say. So what the boys fiction, Lord being Christian. I'm a producer, I just got a lot of addiction. Get money, you can see it in my face. It's like I'm about to bust when I stuff my suit. I love getting pussy, but I hate these hoes. I'm ready to hit the block. Top on phones. I know you probably tired of hearing about my cars. That's what you get for turning good niggas to stars. What the fuck you do? You speed. Never had shit, now you rich as you can be. Used to hit big selling bricks in the streets. Now I'm selling hits for 10 times the fee. And staying free, I ain't seeing no jails. The boss to the south gon' start giving them hell.